Hello, I am Jeremy Xarian, and this is my dog Rodney. We're using him as an example. So today we're going to learn about some transformations. Um, One example of a transformation is a translation. So in this picture, his eyes are open, you see? And in this photo, they're closed. So the transformation is called the translation, where he opens them and closes them. Another type of transformation is called rotation. See how his head is straight here? Well, in the next photo, he will rotate it sideways. See here? He rotated it at a approximately 30-degree angle. So, this is a tessellation. Tessellations are made up of a basic unit, which is a shape that is repeated in a plane, which is basically a whole piece of paper. This is a tessellation of cats, and this is a tessellation of fishes. The artist here repeated each fish all over the paper. I'm sorry this picture is a little too big, but this is basically a net. It's a pattern of different polygons to make a three-dimensional figure. This figure over here is a cubic net, and it is folded halfway. This is the net folded all the way to make a three-dimensional figure called a cube. This is a spiral. A spiral is a curve traced by a point rotating around and away from a fixed point. There are two main types of spirals. One is a equiangular spiral, which is a spiral in which a ray drawn from the center intersects the loops at a constant angle. This is a Archimedean spiral in which the spirals are not evenly angled. This is a helix. A helix is a spiral-shaped curve in space that goes around an axis. This is actually your DNA, which is also called a double helix. This is a fractal. I found this fractal online. It is a cheetah, and fractal is a structure of repeating patterns containing shapes that are like the whole but of different sizes throughout. This is a cubical fractal. It's just another example I found online. I thought it was pretty cool. This is called the Sierpinski triangle. It is a fractal made up of small and large triangles. If you try to count the triangles, you probably couldn't, because there's an infinite amount of them, because they're smaller and smaller and smaller. I thought it was pretty cool. That's about it. That's my math video, and see you soon.